Holley's LS 4-wheel drive off-road engine swap oil pan is designed to offer ample clearance for K10 chassis and other 4-wheel drive LS swap applications. Holley's oil pan delivers OE-style fitment for durability and sealing. Compatible with a variety of popular transmissions, the oil pan includes sump baffle, pickup tube, pickup O-ring, oil filter stud, and oil passage cover. Holley offers optional off-road accessories like a hinged door baffle and a rock shield to protect your LS engine. The hinged door baffle kit ensures that your engine receives a consistent oil supply even during climbs, accelerations, and off-road adventures. The baffle is a direct fit and is ideal for race, street, and off-road applications, providing extra protection against oil starvation. For extra protection, finish off your oil pan with a rock shield. This shield defends your oil pan and filter from debris and rocks without the need to drop the pan for installation.